right, first field review. Akron Rubber Ducks Field. Rubber Ducks Stadium. Oh, such a pretty day in Akron, Ohio. Hello. Hey.
Big dog walking, big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma check it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain, looks like a...
Tarps on. We're gonna get the tarps off soon. Don't worry about that. Entertainment meeting. We're gonna learn some stuff. We're gonna learn some celebrations, some dances that we're gonna do here.
Pretty heavy. Can I get Kyle? We know where Kyle is.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hey, this is Tanner Thomas vlog. I'm Vincent the Dancing Umpire. I'm 5'6" with shoes on. I'm 5'5.5" without them. My driver's license says I'm 5'5.5". I'm 5'6". I weigh 240 because I low-key eat donuts, especially when it's donut. Ask Tanner Thomas.
Oh, we know.
Ask Tanner Thomas.
We know. We know.
This is a tricky situation.
This is as stingy as we've ever seen Tanner Thomas at the plate for the Party Animals. His first at bat, 7 pitches, as that's going to be a strikeout called looking on Tanner Thomas, and the fans here in Victory Field are going to get some donuts.
One of the 2 largest crowds in Bananaball history. They are fired up about munchkins being hurled in their general direction. You know who's not fired up? Tanner Thomas, who just got struck out on a pitch that was about a foot outside.
Welcome to Akron. We brought the rain in from Indy, but it's looking good for this afternoon. We're gonna make it happen, okay? So, no, we're not hitting BP on the field today. Gonna be in the cages, got some nice cages. Infielders, if you want to take some ground balls in there, do your short hop progressions in there, I would recommend that as well. Starting off though, I want to give you guys some kudos of going night game in Indy, turn around playing a 12 o'clock game and putting on one hell show for one of the biggest crowds that we've ever had. And you guys brought the energy the entire time. It was hot. Great job. Well done. Woo! I think, Jesse, you got some things for the guy.
We'll do that in a little bit. Well said. We'll do videos in a little bit.
Akron, here we go.
We're on.
So, Dizzy hit by pitch is still in play. Again, basically you get hit by the pitch, like you're stumbling around, grab your bat, put it on your forehead, spin around 10 times, and then just try to run to first base. Ball over, be pretty funny. Dearman, when you're on the mound today, we got 2 things for you mic'd up, so we'll have the mic on you in 2 different moments. We're gonna try to do Chubby Bunny. So we're gonna put like just the some marshmallows there next to you and just try doing Chubby Bunny.
If I throw up, just let me keep pitching.
I don't think you need to throw up. That'd make me really sad.
One Chubby Bunny.
Bill said that's better for fluke.
Yeah. And we'll also do rock, paper, scissors again tonight. Jackson, we're gonna also try a new thing with you tonight with, we're gonna do a live food review. So we'll put the mic on you and we'll have the camera there and we're gonna film it as content as well. But there's a place here called Swenson's, and Swenson's is super famous here in Akron. All the fans will know it. LeBron James takes everybody there apparently. Like, they have a wall of just celebrities. So we're getting that DoorDashed here for you. 322-622. I do need Sellies for banana.
Toe touch, double celebration. What in the world?
I'm pretty sure someone was underneath that. I'm tripping for the best part. Someone definitely fell. Dude, there was a girl that like...
How is that going so fast?
They have a whole team and they all went on the same time.
I didn't see nobody.
Dude,
yeah, as soon as we get turf,
put that on, please.
Mark, okay, what's today's date?
July 2nd.
July 2nd.
It's July 2nd. Mark my words, as soon as Savannah Grayson Stadium gets turf, we will play a game through a thunderstorm as long as there's no lightning. Okay, so maybe we'll just play a game in the rain. But mark my words, Tanner will save this video and play it next year.
Next year?
If we have turf.
Fair enough.
You got it, dude.
Only if I gotta be in it.
Hey.
No.
Number 11, chase it.
Here it is. Let me pick my new one.
What's up, Tanner's Vlog? How you guys doing today? It's a beautiful day here in Akron, Ohio.
Is that your GoPro?
Yeah, this is Tanner's.
Oh, hi Tanner. No, I didn't mean to sound disappointed. It was just, I've already taken control of Ian's a few times and I made it look like a raindrop going down the window when it was like this, when it was pouring outside.
Stand by and go music.
Oh, I top spin Johnson.
Throw it into you.
Throwing a cutter.
BP in the cage today. Oh. This is well lit. Good lighting. Ow.
I love you too.
Ow. It's a good song. Even better voice though.
No, going out of one.
Look at Princess Leia. You just booped me, bro? D. Noah Bridges. Oh. Well, I would invite Dalton to the team store right now, but he's in the middle of the field. So, we got the newbies going to the team store with us. All right, team store. It's all rubber ducks. You gonna get it?
Little golf action and a rubber duck.
Little golf action? Yeah, they got plenty. I like these colors a lot. I was eyeballing this one earlier. We're gonna see, we're gonna see. And I gotta get me some rubber ducks, of course. All right, the gates are open here in Akron. Let's see it. Woo! Let's go. Well, we got a little situation. It's about to wane, but the crowd's still lit. You're still getting lit here in Akron. It's a wane delay. Tarp pull time, baby! Pull that tarp. Pull that tarp.
3, 2, 1.
I did. Let's play a ball game. All right, the show has started. Jason Swan, weigh-in time, baby.
Now it is time for the tradition.
Yes, Swanee!
His body fat percentage is in the single digits. This is muscle
Every time I do my kick up. Every time I do my kick.
is hanging up on the walls of the room in France. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Noah Bridges. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! Yeah, baby! Woo! Woo! Let's go! Ah! Yeah, buddy!
Yup.
Yep. I need my hug. Need my hug. Thank you.
It's game time. Now we go.
Now we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for your Savannah.
Hey! Hey!
Oh. Hey, we're here now.
We're here.
Might as well bang.
Might as well.
Hey, a little late to the party, but hey, let's make it a good one. Let's bang no matter what. We're here for 2 hours. We'll give them everything they want. Let's do it.
You gotta fight for your right to party! Let's do this thing, y'all. My boy.
Let's go, baby. Have some fun.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Back at you, Carrot.
It's time. So on 3, I need everyone here to yell, start the clock. 1, 2, 3.
Start the clock.
Showtime.
Woo!
Get it going.
Intoxicated. All right, beginning of the 4th inning here. The party animals are up 1-0. A lot of ball game left. Let's keep it going, baby. Middle of the 7th inning right now. Party animals up 2-1. Your party animals won this ball game. 3-2, baby. First night active. Let's go! See you tomorrow. Day 2 entertainment meeting time. Also,
Entertainment meeting.
Associates of the day, fantasy vibe. How's your vibe today, Dalton?
Living lime today.
Oh, snap,
Wait,
son.
I'm waiting a while before I crack it open, but I will crack it.
Hi.
Hi, come here.
Hi.
Hey, just ghost her.
You got you a ghost today?
Just ghost her.
Oh. Alright, ghost it.
I'm not gonna say that.
I like your hat.
Thanks, bud.
Shout out Rubber Ducks.
How about the rubber duckies?
What is up, YouTube? Okay.
What is up?
We're at rehearsal right now.
YouTube, check out the new video dropping soon.
I love you.
Tanner hits a double.
Time to hit in the cage. Game 2, game day. Yeah, barrel pop, bananas, party animals, BP. All right, gates are open. Target just got pulled off. Raining again, of course.
Give yourself a round of applause tonight before we get started.
Ready to rock, baby! Time for the party animals entrance, baby! Let's get it. Yes, 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 and yes.
Hi. Hi.
I tried to stop. I didn't know. I like your stick.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like this sticker a lot. Our new little rubber ducky sticker. We got a little caliente hot dog, an arrow.
Very nice.
Very nice.
The boys. The boys. He just never gets off the phone now. He's changed.
What up, what up?
Let's win a ball game. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Come on now.
Ready?
Yes.
You want your game day, Hug?
Yes.
He wants his game to win.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Is the flag ready, Brett? Here we go. We got the big boys today.
Bigger and better, baby. Hey, what do you say? Let's win a ball game! Woohoo! There you go! Brucey's time. Brucey's time. Brucey's time to shine. Let's get it, baby! Yes!
Welcome player coach, Mike Baba. Welcome, Noah
Yeah, 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 yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah,
A special treat for all you fans here.
What's up?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the boys from North Savannah.
Okay, so since this is our second day here in Akron, we had a home run derby. Jake Skull won the home run derby for the Party Animals, so we decided to be the home team for the second day here. So as of right now, Party Animals are up 1-0 going into the 4th inning. Into the 7th inning right now, Party Animals are up 2-0, baby. This game is flying by. We still have 30 minutes left to go. Let's finish strong, baby. I couldn't get the end of the game because we were home team, but the Party Animals won, baby, 3-2. Now we're gonna see some fireworks. Thanks for watching. Have a great time and watch some fireworks. Remember, subscribe and like, baby.